How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at this fuel tank strap stud kit designed for the 1981 to 2004 Mustangs. So this fuel tank strap stud kit is definitely a problem solver. Whenever you attempt to install a brand new fuel tank with our fuel tank pad kit, or even an old fuel tank for that matter, the factory bolts are difficult to line back up and reinstall. Well, in typical LMR fashion, we were tired of fighting with this every time we installed a fuel tank or an old fuel tank, so we came up with a simple solution, which is a stud and nut to retain the fuel tank straps. Trust me, you'll want this hardware if you're replacing rusted or stripped factory bolts or you're installing a new fuel tank. The hardware itself features the correct thread pitch, so the studs install nice and clean into the factory style J-nuts, which are commonly referred to as speed nuts. This kit will fit 1981 to 2004 Mustangs. We include 4 studs and 4 nuts because 1981 to 1993 Fox body cars require 2 studs and 2 nuts, and 1994 to 2004 cars require 3 studs and 3 nuts to properly secure the fuel tank in place. Other than that, we're going to show you how convenient and how easy this kit is to install using our 1993 Vortec Fox body. To get started, safely support the vehicle with a lift or jack stands. Use a spare jack and support the fuel tank shield. Loosen and remove the fuel tank strap retaining bolt with a 1/2-inch socket. Install a stud until it fully seats using a crescent wrench or applicable socket. Swing the strap around the fuel tank shield and align the hole in the strap with the stud. Tighten the nut with a 15mm deep socket. If you have a 1994 to 2004 car, it's pretty obvious where you'll install the studs, as the only additional stud is for the passenger side strap and is located at the rearward mount. Repeat these same steps for the other side, and then you're good to go. As always, guys, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, always reference LMR.com. If you liked this video or it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Mustang content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do by now. For all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.